Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about amuse-bouche. So let's get started. Did you know that amuse-bouche are served free of cost? We also gonna discuss the meaning of the word amuse-bouche. Did you know what should be the portion size of an amuse-bouche? Don't worry, we're gonna discuss all these points. Moreover, I'm gonna tell you many more points about amuse-bouche. So in this slide, you all can see some cool plated dishes. Yes, these are amuse-bouche. They are plated very beautifully and nicely in those elegant spoons. So coming to the define, they are single bit size hors d'oeuvres. Bit size mean the size of a bite, as you can see in the picture. Appetizers in the French are known as hors d'oeuvres. To know more about hors d'oeuvres or appetizers, I had uploaded a video on my channel. You can go and check that out. The video had just popped out in the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Moving forward, they are different from the appetizers as they are not ordered from the menu but are served free to the guest. Yes, you heard it right. They are served free to the guest so that the guest feel delightful by the service. Moreover, amuse-bouche are prepared in order to increase the appetite of the guest. They didn't come exactly under the appetizer but are much relatable to them. They are prepared according to the chef's choice. Amuse-bouche is a French term which literally means mouth amusing. It means that these little bites of food are prepared in the way that they amuses your mood and your senses, including your mouth. In other words, it lets the saliva starts its action and prepare the palate to go through the various courses of the menu. For you who didn't know the proper meaning of a palate, it is the upper roof of the mouth in the humans and other mammals. So when we taste the food, the tongue senses the flavors with the help of a palate. So coming to the next point, it should be intensely flavorful. Yes, intensely flavorful, and should also increase the appetite of the guest for upcoming courses. The appetite, that means the mood or the hunger for eating the food. They should be well portioned, plated, garnished and neatly decorated, as this is the first dish with which the guest encounters. It should be colorful and well amusing so that it makes a good impression on the guest by the chef. The decoration and plating also shows the skills of the chef. Coming to the next slide. The first point says it should be small, usually 1 or 2 bite size, just not to fill the stomach of the guest, as there will be 3 to 4 further courses to come. Nowadays, amuse-bouche are very commonly seen in 5-star properties and also in fine dining restaurants. A fancy range of platters and servicewares are also used for presenting amuse-bouche, as these dishes look very elegant in those platters. Once a great chef beautifully said that the amuse-bouche is the best way for a great chef to express his or her big ideas in small bites. There are no such specific amuse-bouche as served. There are no such specified amuse-bouche, as they are vary from property to property and also from place to place. It mainly depends on the chef idea, type of ingredients available, cuisine and many other factors. So some of the amuse-bouche that I have known are Parmesan panna cotta. The first picture in the slide is of that Parmesan panna cotta. The second one is pickled baby beets. The third one is chilled lettuce soup. The fourth one is grilled fish on wok seared vegetables, cucumber and carrot roulade, and then watermelon and feta cheese. And there are n number of amuse-bouche one can prepare and one can encounter through. So mainly the amuse-bouche is prepared in the cold kitchen, but sometimes it can also be prepared in the hot kitchen. To know more about the different sections of kitchen, do check our video on our channel on different sections of kitchen. The video had just popped out in the I button on the top right corner of the screen. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope that this video will help to increase your knowledge. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.